Hello friends, last lecture we discussed about block diagram of 8051. In this lecture we will discuss about other functions of all pins. Important pins of I/O ports. One of the most useful feature of the 8051 is that it contains 4 I/O ports, that means port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. While when we can discuss about port 0, then it consists of 8-bit read-write general purpose I/O ports. Then port 1 only 8-bit read-write general purpose I/O. Then port 2 8-bit read-write general purpose I/O or high byte of address bus for external memory design. And port 3 it is again use a general purpose I/O. If not using any of the internal peripherals, timer or external interrupts, each port can be used as input or output in bidirectional mode. What is the alternate function of port 3? We know that this port is used as a bidirectional or in multiplexional mode. Then this port 3 can be used as a RxD, that means serial input port. Then port 3.1 is used as a TXD, that means serial output port. Then port 3.2 INT 0 bar external interrupt for 0, and port 3.3 INT 1 bar external interrupt 1. P3.4 T0 timer 0 external input, P3.5 T1 timer 1 external input, P3.6 WR bar external data memory write stroke, and P3.7 RT bar external data memory read stroke. Then 8051 port 3-bit latches and IO buffers. This is the circuit of these latches and IO buffer. It uses P3.x latches. It is a TTF type of flip-flop. It uses internal buses. It is used for write to latch. The hardware structure of IO pins. This is read latch. Then this is internal CPU bus, write to latch, read pin, then load and PL X pin. Hardware structure of IO pins. Each pin of IO ports internally connected to CPU bus. A D latch stores the value of this pin. Write to latch 1. Write data into the D latch. Tri-state buffer. TB1 controlled by read pin. Read pin 1 really read the data present at the pin. TB2 controlled by the read latch. Read latch equals to 1. Read value from an internal latch. A transistor M1 gate. Gate 0 for open. Gate 1 for close. If suppose we want to write 1, how we can write? See, write 1 to the pin to the D flip flop, and it writes a 1, and at Q bar it will indicate a 0. See what happened? Similarly, if we want to write 0, then what happened? Write a 0 to the pin D input of D flip flop. At Q we can get a 0. Similarly at Q bar we can get a 1. Similarly output pin is ground. For reading high at input pin, see what happened? Write a 1 to the pin move P1 H0 FFH. We can see like this. Similarly for move E P1 externally pin equals to high. In this way we can read or write high or low signal to D flip flop. These are the port 0 with pull-up register. In this we can use 8751, 89 or 8951. This 8 ports P0 to P7 we can connect it like this. Thank you.